Installing new flooring can completely transform a home, but it's easy to make mistakes if you're not prepared. In 2026, luxury vinyl plank, LVP, and stone plastic composite, SPC, flooring are the most popular choices in Dubai, thanks to their durability, waterproofing, and realistic finishes. Today, we're going to walk you through a step-by-step guide to installing LVP and SPC flooring, and I'll share tips from Flooring Dubai to make sure your installation is professional, seamless, and long-lasting. Step 1. Prepare the subfloor. The key to a flawless installation starts with the subfloor. It must be clean, dry, and perfectly level. Remove debris, repair cracks or uneven areas, and make sure the surface is smooth. Even small imperfections can cause planks to flex, squeak, or show gaps over time. Flooring Dubai always emphasizes proper preparation, because a well-prepared subfloor makes the installation process faster and ensures your flooring looks premium from day one. Step 2. Acclimate the flooring. Before laying any planks, allow your LVP or SPC flooring to acclimate to the room's temperature and humidity for at least 48 hours. This prevents expansion or contraction after installation and ensures a perfect fit across the entire space. Many homeowners skip this step, but Flooring Dubai recommends it to avoid uneven seams or warping, especially in Dubai's varying climate. Step 3. Plan the layout. Take a moment to plan the plank layout. Determine which direction the planks will run, typically parallel to the longest wall or main light source for a natural, expansive look. Consider how the flooring will flow between rooms, and use transition strips where needed to maintain consistency. At Flooring Dubai, we carefully plan layouts before installation. A little planning here prevents misaligned planks and awkward transitions, making the floor look seamless. Step 4. Install the planks. LVP and SPC flooring generally use a click-lock system, which allows the planks to snap together without glue. Start along the longest wall, leaving a small expansion gap along the perimeter. Fit each plank tightly and make sure seams are staggered for a natural, professional look. Work row by row, checking alignment frequently. Flooring Dubai always ensures each plank is perfectly seated, avoiding gaps, uneven surfaces, or lifting over time. Step 5. Cut and fit edges. When you reach walls, doorways, or other obstacles, measure and cut planks carefully. Use a utility knife for LVP or a fine-toothed saw for SPC. Always account for the expansion gap, and make sure edges are clean and snug. Flooring Dubai technicians excel at precision cutting, ensuring tight, clean edges that give your flooring a high-end finish. Step 6. Install transition strips and moldings. Transition strips are essential between rooms with different flooring types or directions. They protect edges and create a smooth, visually appealing flow. Baseboards and moldings can then be reinstalled to cover expansion gaps and complete the look. With Flooring Dubai, every transition is handled professionally, so your floor looks continuous, polished, and luxurious. Step 7. Final checks and maintenance tips. Once your LVP or SPC flooring is installed, walk the floor to ensure all planks are flush and aligned. Remove any debris, wipe the surface clean, and follow basic maintenance routines to keep it looking new. Sweep or vacuum regularly, wipe up spills promptly, and use pH-neutral cleaners for deeper cleaning. Flooring Dubai also provides guidance on long-term maintenance, helping your flooring maintain its beauty and durability for years. Why Flooring Dubai is your best choice. Installing LVP or SPC flooring is easy to do yourself, but for a truly flawless finish, professional expertise makes all the difference. Flooring Dubai offers subfloor preparation and inspection, layout planning and precision installation, expert cutting and fitting for tight edges, advice on care and to extend flooring life. With Flooring Dubai, your floors are not only installed correctly but enhance the look and value of your home. LVP and SPC flooring are excellent choices for Dubai homes, offering durability, style, and easy maintenance. The key to a perfect installation lies in preparation, planning, and precision, all of which Flooring Dubai specializes in. Following this step-by-step guide ensures your floors look premium, last for decades, and transform your home into a modern, elegant space.